Hi guys, I'm going to explain the second question. The average of the group of the 10 people rises by the 4 years when two persons aged 40 and 44 are replaced. What is the average age of the two new persons? Here it is 40 plus 44 plus 10 into 4, because of the for the 10 people they are rising 4 years means 10 into 4, 84 plus 40 124. They are asking it is the sum of the new persons replaced. They are asking about the average, that means 124 by 2, that is 62. 62 is the answer for this question. Okay, third question. There are 7 consecutive integers like here it is 7. Okay, and 5 consecutive integers like that. The average of the 7 integers is 3 less than the average of the 5 integers. Let's say average of the 5 integers is x and average of the 7 integers is 3 less, like this. The sum of the 5 integers means 5x equals to 8 more than the sum of the 7 integers, means 7 of x minus 3 plus 8. Find the average of the 3 integers. We have to find out the x minus 3. Okay, 5x equals to 7x minus 21 plus 8. Here it is 2x equals to 13, x equals to 6.5. We have to find out the x minus 3, that means 6.5 minus 3 equals to 3.5. 3.5 is the answer for this question. Okay, fourth question. A shopkeeper sells an article for p rupees, giving 25% discount. During a sale, it is marked at 1.4p and a discount of 10% is given. What is the profit percentage now? Let's say cost price is 100 and selling price is 125. Because of the in the question they are gaining 25%. Okay, it is marked at 1.4p. Here it is the selling price, let us assume p, because of in the question itself they are giving a article for p rupees. P is the selling price. Okay, now they are marked up to 1.4p, means 1.4 into 125. Okay, as we know that 125 into 8 is 1000 and it is the half, means 1500. Okay, now the market price is 150 and a discount of 10% is given. 10% is 15 rupees. 15 rupees, it becomes 135. What is the profit percentage now? Here it is, the profit percentage is 35. Answer for this question is 35. Okay, an article is sold at 20% discount, gives a profit of 25% on cost price. If the profit is 500 rupees, what would be the selling price if sold at 30% discount? That means 20% discount means 80% of market price equals to profit of 25%, means 125% of cost price. Market price by cost price equals to 25 by 16. As we know that formula, profit equals to selling price minus cost price. Okay, here it is, the selling price means market price minus discount. That means profit equals to market price minus discount minus cost price. Here it is, the value is profit is 500 rupees. In the question itself they are given, if the profit is 500 rupees, that means 500 rupees, market price is 25x minus discount is 20%, means 10% is 2.5 and 20% is 5x, means 5x. Okay, minus cost price is 16x. 20x minus 16x equals to 500. 500 equals to 4x. X equals to 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 125. Okay, 125. What would be the selling price if it is sold at 30% discount? That means we have to find out the market price first. 125 into 25 means 4. Okay, 3 times and 3 times 1 time 3125. Okay, we have to find out the selling price. Selling price means market price minus discount. Okay, if the 100 is 3125, we have to find out the 70. Cancels 3125 into 7 by 10. Okay, 3125 into 7, 35, 17, 8. Okay, the answer is 2187.5. Thanks for watching. Okay, I am going to explain the sixth question. Rice worth 90 rupees per kg and 150 rupees are mixed and sold at 168 rupees per kg, gaining 20% profit. That means 6 becomes 168 and 5 becomes what? 2 times and 4 times into 24 means 120. Okay, in what ratio are they mixed? 90, 150, 120. Okay, 168 20% means 6. 2 times and 12, 48, 8. Okay, 8 times it is actually, okay, 140. We have to write 140 here. Okay, 50, 10. Answer for this question is 1:5. Cancelling the zeros here. From the top of the 330 meters tower, angle of depression to top and the bottom of the building are 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Find the height of the building and horizontal distance. I am going to draw the picture for this. Okay, here it is 60 degrees, here it is 30 degrees. They are given it is 30. I am going to write the ratios for this. Okay, here it is 31. This entire is root 3 and it is also 1. It is entire becomes 60 degrees. Here it is 1 by root 3. They are asking about the two values. Find the height of the building. The height of the building is root 3. 1 becomes, okay, height of the building. This is the height of the building actually. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 we have to find out, and they are given root 3 becomes 30. It becomes what? 3 minus 1 by root 3 means 2 by root 3. Okay, here it is 2 by root 3. 30 into 2 by root 3 by root 3, it cancels. 10 root 3, root 3 get cancelled. 20. The height of the building is, height of the building is 20 centimeter, and they are again asking for the horizontal distance. That means here it is the 1. Okay, root 3 becomes 30. 1 becomes what? 30 by root 3. That means we have to rationalize. Okay, 30 root 3 by 3 means 10 root 3. The horizontal distance is 10 root 3. Okay, 8th question. A circular garden of radius 14 centimeters is surrounded by a path 7 meters wide. Find the ratio of the area of the path to garden. I am going to draw the picture for this. Here it is the 4, it is the 7. They are asking about the ratio. Okay, surrounded by the path 7 meters wide. Find the ratio of area of the path to garden. It is the path actually. Pi r square minus r square is to garden 14 pi r square. Pi get cancelled. 14 is the 21 square minus r square. It is 14 square is to r square. It is 14 square. 441 minus 196 is to 196. 441 minus 196 becomes 245. 245 is to 196. By cancelling the 49, it is 5 times, it is 4 times. The answer for this question is 5:4. A tent is the shape of the triangular prism with a base area 30 square meters and the height 5 meters. Find its volume. As we know that is the basic formula, prism volume is base area into height. That means 30 into 5. The answer for this question is 150. We don't need to get any values. Everything is given in the question itself. Okay. Two chords intersect inside a circle if their segments are in the ratio 3:5 and 6:5. Which relation is correct? I am going to draw the picture for this like this. 3:5 and 6:5. Let me assume 3x and 5x. Here it is 6y and 5y. As we know that product of the one segment equals to product of the another segment. That means 3x into 5x equals to 6y into 5y. 15x square equals to 30y square. 2 times x square by y square equals to 2 by 1. A is the answer for this question. A chord subtends 60 degrees at the center of the circle of radius 14 centimeters. Like this. It is also 14. Find the area of the minor segment. I am going to find out the area for the segment. 60 by 360 into pi r square minus the area of the equilateral triangle root 3 by 4 a square. 1 by 6 into pi into r, it is 4 196 minus root 3 by 4 into a square 196. Cancelling the 2 8 times and 18 and 9 times and 8 times. 98 pi by 3 minus cancelling 4 16 44 root 3. Answer for this question. 14th question. Evaluate 0.1 cube plus 0.02 cube by 0.2 cube plus 0.4 cube. Here it is 0.1 cube plus 0.02 cube by, we have to get the 2 cubes as the common and 0.1 cube plus 0.02 cube. This value get cancelled. 1 by 8 means 0.125. The answer for this question is 0.125. A storage container holds 500 liters of chemical. If 45.25 liters are extracted from the container 3 times, that means 45.25 90 135.75 is extracted. How much liquid remains in the container? It is a very simple question. 500 minus 135.75 means 364.25 is the answer for this question. 16th question. A retailer marks his goods 50% above the cost price. Let us assume cost price is 100 and market price is 150. He then offers a discount to the customer that result in the final profit of 20%. Means 120 it becomes. Because of it is a 20%. It is 50%. What was the rate of the discount provided? That means they provided, here it is 30% out of 150 means 2 times 3 times 20% that they provided. Answer for this question is 20%. If the side of a cube is tripled in length, what is the ratio of the new total surface area? It is the surface area for the cube is 6a square. It is a 6 is the constant. The total surface area is proportional to the a square. That means if the whole surface area is 1, the tripled means 3 square. That means 1:9. They are asking about the new total surface area. That means 9:1. It is the total surface area changed. And what is the ratio of the new volume to the original volume? The volume formula is a cube. If the, let us assume 1 is the original one and cube means it is tripled first. 1:27. They are asking about the new volume to the original volume. It means volume changed equals to 27:1. These are the answer for these questions. Okay. A solid cylinder and a cone have the same base, radius r. I am going to draw the picture for this. Okay, here it is the radius, both are same. And the volumes are same. That means it is a cylinder, right? Pi r square. It is the radius. Let us assume same pi r square h. Let assume h is x and 1/3 pi r square h. Pi r square h. It is y. Okay. These get cancelled. X by y equals to 1/3. Here x represents cylinder and y represents cone. The height of a cone is 12. Okay, the height of the cylinder is 12 centimeters. That means one part becomes 12 and three parts becomes what? 12 times 36. 36 is the answer for this question. In a triangle, the length of the median is 15 centimeters. What is the distance from the vertex to the centroid along this median? Okay, first of all, we have to know that median divided by centroid in the ratio of 2:1. Okay, three parts becomes 15. They are asking about the what is the length of the median. Distance from the vertex means two parts. It is 5 times 5 times means 10. 10 is the answer for this question. Two right angle triangles. I am going to draw the picture for this. P, Q, R and S, T, U have their hypotenuse PR and ST. PR and SU. Okay, fine. If the sides are PQ and ST are also equal, PR. Okay, PQ and ST are also equal. It is a 90 degrees here. The triangles are congruent by which mathematical rule? Here it is hypotenuse same and right angle and side. That means RHS is the mathematical rule to prove these two triangles are the congruent. The answer for this question is RHS. A right angle triangle is inscribed in a circle with a diameter of 26 centimeters. Okay, I am going to draw the picture for this. In this question, there is one confusion point. They are asking about here it is